engine out, pretty much without incident. The speedo adapter was a little bit tight, so I had to get some water pump pliers just to get that freed up. And it was quite tight getting the wok out of that side of the engine past the throttle body and plenum because I didn't take this off. It's all coming apart anyway, so I could have taken it off if I really wanted to, but just for the sake of leaving it complete for the moment, I just left it as it is. So my next task will be to strip it all down, strip it into the two parts, and then I'll probably take it home in parts and then build it up at home into the new gearbox, put the new cam in, etc, etc, etc. Which you'll see in the rest of this video. Okay then, day 2, back at the unit, and today's job is to split that engine in gearbox. I'm not entirely sure how far I'm going to go with the dismantling. I'll maybe just split the engine and gearbox today and then do the cylinder head and that another night, and then take the various components home for cleaning up and refitting of the new cam and followers. Be easier on an engine stand. I mean, I could do it here, but I've got a proper engine stand at home in the workshop at home, so I might as well use that. So, right, let's hit the time lapse and let's get this engine split. Okay then, sometime later, engine and gearbox is split. It's there on the floor in front of me. I only got as far as splitting the actual gearbox and the block. I didn't take the head off, I'll do that another night. But I'll give you a quick look at the gearbox. So there we have it, one 3 synchro straight cut gearbox with the roller drop gears on it. So obviously you got centre oil pickup, and then hide under there you got your Quafer limited slip diff with the straight cut crown wheel and pinion. You can see the straight cut crown wheel there, and obviously the hardy spacers here. So yeah, looks absolutely spot on. There's no I had to look for markings on the leg here, on the layer shaft, but there's no part numbers or anything I can see anywhere on it, so nothing to identify what kit it is. But that'll be for sale because I don't need it anymore. And then there's the block and the head sitting there waiting for further dismantling, which will probably be in the next video, I guess. I don't know how long this video will be with the time lapse until I edit it, so it'll either be the end of this one, in which case like, comment, subscribe, the usual, or it might continue on while I take the head off, but we'll have to wait and see.